And on the right side of this blank, I will show the place where they are working. So if I select the name of the worker, then I will have it automatically push out the workers workplace. For that, I'm using VLOOKUP, and on the fifth column there's a workplace information. So if I select the worker's name, it automatically puts out the region where they are working. So here I have finished the database, and I will put some bold outline and name this worksheet as database. And the next step I'm going to do is making a pivot chart with based on this data. So I block the range of data to make a pivot table, and I will put the pivot table in on existing worksheet. So here on the cell B2, I will arrange the pivot table, and for the row label I will place job category, and for the line label I'm going to put the contract date, and for the value field I'm putting in payment per hour and working hours, daily working hours. So here I have the pivot table. Then now I'm going to revise somehow for better looking. The first thing I will do is change the value for from sum total to average. So now I have the average figures here, and then I will name the line label contract date and job category. And then I put the data in the middle of the cells, and for the blank field I will put 3 stars, and I will delete the sum total. And the next thing I will do is group the contract date in order of by year instead of by month, and then I put comma for the salary data and place the star marks in the middle of the cell, and I'm going to change the order of the rows. So here I have the pivot table, and next step I'm going to make a chart based on the data from the database here. So I set the block, the information that I'm going to use for the chart. I will make the chart about the IT consulting team and travel guide team. Here I have the chart about the IT consulting and travel guide team for each payment per hour and daily working hour. First, I select the chart style and layout of the chart, and then I will change this graph for the different type of graph. And then it only shows the payment per hour, so I will add some assisting axis which shows the working hour like this, and I will put in the chart title, then I'm not using the horizontal title, and for the vertical title I will put it in horizontal, and it should be daily working hour per day. And then I'll remove this chart to a new worksheet for making it look bigger. The chart name going to be chart. Now I will revise the chart a bit, change the type of line behind the graph, and adjust maximum range of the daily working hour. First, I move this to here. Then I'm adjusting the range of the working hour here. The maximum value 9 hours. And for the particular value, which is for Park Jin-soo, I'm going to put the label like this, because his his salary is the highest. And I'm going to change this name as payment per hour, and this one for daily working hour. So now I have finished making 3 worksheets, including chart, database, and pivot table. This is the end.